Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Welcome back to D Reviews. Today we're checking out the HoseHawk Pro and asking a simple question. Does this hose attachment really work like a pressure washer, or is it getting more hype than it deserves? The HoseHawk Pro is being promoted as a high-pressure water jet that connects to a regular garden hose. The marketing suggests you can turn your everyday hose into a powerful cleaning tool without electricity, motors, or bulky equipment. According to the claims, it can clean driveways, cars, patios, fences, and even stubborn dirt with minimal effort. On the surface, that sounds convenient. The idea of a lightweight attachment that sets up quickly is appealing. Some descriptions also mention adjustable spray patterns, a comfortable grip, and durable metal construction designed for outdoor use. Since it doesn't require power, it's also quiet and easy to operate. For light cleaning tasks like rinsing dust from a car or washing off loose mud, tools like this can be useful. But this is where we start looking closer at the reality. One of the biggest things to understand is pressure. A dedicated electric pressure washer typically produces between 1,500 and 3,000 psi. A standard garden hose simply doesn't generate that level of force. Attachments like the HoseHawk Pro mainly focus the water stream. They don't create additional pressure. That means it may help with basic cleaning, but it's unlikely to handle deep stains like oil marks, algae buildup, or heavily embedded dirt as easily as shown in promotional materials. Another point is the use of impressive sounding terms. Phrases like flow force technology or similar wording can sound advanced, but they often refer to a simple nozzle design. It's not necessarily new technology, just a way to direct water more narrowly. Marketing also emphasizes effortless cleaning. In reality, performance depends heavily on your home's water pressure. If your water pressure is average or low, the output will also be limited. This detail isn't always highlighted clearly. There's also the claim that it works safely on all surfaces. While adjustable spray settings can help, a concentrated jet can still affect softer materials like painted wood, older vinyl, or delicate coatings if used too close. So careful use is important. Pricing is another area worth considering. Similar hose attachments can often be found at lower prices on different platforms. This suggests it's a good idea to compare options before making a decision and not rely only on promotional discounts. To be fair, tools like this can still be handy. They're easy to attach, don't require electricity, and are convenient for quick rinsing jobs. But expecting them to replace a dedicated pressure washer may lead to disappointment. So the overall takeaway is simple. The HoseHawk Pro may work as a basic hose attachment and could be useful for light cleaning tasks. However, some of the bold marketing claims appear exaggerated. It's best to proceed with caution, compare alternatives, and understand what it can realistically do before buying. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's thinking about buying this product, and subscribe to D Reviews so you don't miss our next breakdown.